Hi guys, it's Sid's WX SGT here. Just doing a quick update. Done a couple of little things to the car the last month or so since flat nets. Nothing too major. Just done a little bit to the exhaust and a new set of rims. So I'll show you those rims and then I'll do a cold start for you guys. So these are my new set of rims, ADRs, they're 18 by 8, and I just got a new set of tyres for them. They weren't too bad, all up was just over 1,000. So yeah, I'm quite liking the look of those now on the car. So I'll just show you on this side. Yeah, I'm quite liking it. They ride nice, the 18s. I wouldn't mind going a little bit wider though, so we'll see. I might end up changing the rims, so I'll just do a cold start up for you.